Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at the Atrium Hotel in Ivano-Frankivsk. I think that's right. Let me go ahead and show you my room. Bye everybody. Okay, so you come up the elevator or the stairs, and I'm literally right in the center of the city. And this is on the third floor, and this is what the lobby area looks like, which is cool. And then I'll show you my room. So I'm number 31, and so I guess we'll start with the bathroom. Cute little bathroom. Hey, it's got a nice big shower, that's a plus. And a toilet, that's a plus. And a mirror, and I am sweaty and nasty, and it is like 95 degrees out and 95% humidity. And then this is the room. And it's a cute little room. Little nightstand, looks like a king-size bed maybe or whatever, but it's got a nice good-sized TV, and I love the desk. Gosh, it's gonna be so nice to have a desk. My last place didn't have a desk, and I was on a coffee table, which is a no bono. And then this is the view from my room, and I am literally right in the center of the town. How cool is that? Look at that view of the church right there, right out of my room. And I think there's a grocery store there, and there's restaurants right around the corner, and yeah, it should be good. I think this will work perfectly for 4 days while I sit out the jazz festival in Lviv, and then I'll head back and do my Airbnb. Okay, everybody, thanks for coming along. Bye-bye.